Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, your girl, Zara KK TV, aka the young YouTuber in Highland. Today, I want to quickly drop this message, okay? I get one video when I come across yesterday. That video, because they talk about wetin you suppose dey do for YouTube. When I listen to the video finish, I come ask myself question, say e get particular thing wey person suppose dey do for YouTube. I say okay, say I quickly come still talk my own, whether una get any opinion for inside, you know. If today na your first time, if you never subscribe for my YouTube channel, abeg, wetin you dey wait for? Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the notification bell. Anytime when I upload new video, you'll be the first person when you go see am. And if you're my old subscriber, oh, thank you very much. God bless you all. And God will bless you now for me. Ma quickly talk this matter. This YouTube channel, so it gets particular thing when they do for them. Because when I check, YouTube not to say it gets particular thing when you go dey upload put for your channel. You know, they not talk that word. Wetin YouTube dey against na copyright. For example, you sabi do hair, you sabi cook. Only you want, you sabi do hair, you sabi cook. You sabi dance. Then you call you won't call open YouTube channel, or you won't call the start, you know, you won't put YouTube channel, might put it like that. You want the operate YouTube channel. Those three things so complete for your hand. You just complete for your hand. You sabi do hair, you sabi cook, you sabi dance. Only you want know. When they listen to me, I beg. If the word not say correct, when I leave them for the comment section, I'll correct myself, because everybody they learn. It compose you say now food when you sabi cook, now only that one you go to upload for your YouTube channel. It compose to say now only that food when you sabi cook for kitchen, so now you go just upload for your YouTube channel. Then if you sabi do hair, if you braid person hair, say the hair fine, it do okay to your taste, say the person would like, I could say thank you, you braid this my hair well. Fear no go let you put am for your YouTube channel because say you dey upload only food, only food, only food. Fear no go let you put am. Or body sweet you call it dance better dance. Only one you dance, only one video yourself you call dance, and the dance you really enter well. Based on say na only food you dey upload for your YouTube channel, so fear no go let you put am, because I no understand. If you be person like that, upload them. If you do hair, if you do person hair, say the hair fine, dey okay to your taste. The person who call they say, thank you, thank you. Upload them. Put them for your YouTube channel. Upload them. If you cook, upload them. Anything what you do, upload them. If you person wants a big go out well, if you go outside, if na anyhow when you take work out for outside, you want show us, upload them. Video ra, may you upload them. May we see am. Wetin YouTube dey against na copyright, people music. You know why? Because they don't fair do me once. I upload video free sense, so YouTube call send message say this one na copyright. When I check, music dey inside. The music not my, let me get music, let me singer. You know what I do? I quickly delete her back again. I call edit the video back. The one where I know say na my own personal, na my own, I call uploader. Now be that supermarket when I go yesterday, that was on Saturday if I'm not mistaken. When I say me and my little daughter. Now the sense so. I don't feel upload that video. 8 people don't view instantly, but I not care. I comot am again because YouTube don already tell me say they no go monetize am. They say not be my own. They say the music joiner. Say so for that case, they not go monetize that video when I put. What I go do? I comot am. Now wetin me know say YouTube dey against be that one. YouTube not talk say your personal lifestyle make you no upload am. Say your lifestyle, wetin you dey sabi do your lifestyle, say no upload am. No, they not talk like that. Na copyright they dey against. Copyright. Now they just dey against. Abeg, if you be still upcoming YouTuber, ask question before you go dey panic. Ask question before you go dey fear. Ask people when know pass you. Before me reach this stage when I dey, so I ask question. Na so I dey ask question waka. They ask people when know pass me. Before me come dey this stage when I dey, so me, I be jack of all trades. I no get particular thing when I dey do for my YouTube channel. If you dey say, if you dey wait for me say me wan go do one particular thing, upload, no, you no see am. I dey pick from here, pick from here, pick from here, then me go upload that for my own YouTube channel. Okay, now people still dey view my YouTube channel. How they take dey view am? Because me dey visit people house. Me dey visit. I dey go their LS. I dey dey there where present auntie. If there anyone when e just dey LS, me dey go there. I dey put comment. They will recognize me, say, ah, Zara Kiki, she is here. Na so. Una wey dey outside there, so new young YouTuber, I been a new YouTuber, I'll call ourselves. I don't know anyone, I call put ourselves again. See, try to dey visit person house. Dey visit. Press the notification bell. That bell, so una dey press am. Una dey press that bell. Anytime when I go, anytime when I subscribe, when I press that bell, because that bell, so na go dey give you, na go dey tell you say so person upload video, then you go watch am, you put comment. No can dey put comment. First of all, listen to wetin the person talk first before you put your own comment, because na wetin the person talk, now you go take put comment for the person video. I no know if na dey understand me. Na so e be. If you be person, anything when you know say you go sabi do am. If everything complete for your hand, dance o, cook o, plating of hair o, cleaning of house o, say only you want, you sabi do all those ones, do am, upload am, put am for your YouTube channel. And try to dey visit people well. Not be say visit tomorrow before they'll see you na next year. No. Me, if you upload video today, if you not see my comment today when you upload am, you all know say before 2-3 days you will see my comment, except me not see am. And everybody when I give, everybody when I give, when I subscribe to, when I subscribe to, I press their bell. Sometimes me dey go dey check them one by one. I dey check whether the bell dey at alert. That bell, whether it dey at alert. Because if the bell off, e dey off for my information. If that bell off, you no go know if the person upload or not. You no go know. So for that case, I beg, mona try, mona dey visit people house. If you like, you dance. If you like anything when you do, they go dey view am for you. They go dey put comment for you. So that is the message for today. Thanks for watching. God bless you all. If you're my old subscriber, God bless you. For my new